Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea peach flavor. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 to 6 black tea bags, 2 to 3 ripe, fresh peaches, and about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 8 cups of water, a large heat-proof pitcher, and a medium saucepan. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you create a delicious, refreshing beverage with ease. Now, let's get brewing and prepping. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in your saucepan. Add 4 to 6 black tea bags and steep them for about 5 minutes to achieve a strong base. While the tea is steeping, wash and slice your 2 to 3 ripe peaches into small, manageable pieces. Once steeped, remove the tea bags and set the tea aside to cool slightly, preparing it for the next step. Next, we'll create that wonderful peach simple syrup. In your saucepan, combine the sliced peaches, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, cooking for 10 to 15 minutes until the peaches are very soft. Strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl, pressing down on the peaches to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. This concentrated syrup is key. Finally, let's bring it all together and chill. Pour the warm peach simple syrup directly into your cooled brewed tea in the large pitcher. Add 2 more cups of cold water to dilute it to your desired strength. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the flavors are well combined. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours. Serve your delicious homemade peach iced tea over ice, garnished with fresh peach slices. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.